In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sukuna's techniques in Curse Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of the techniques that you have as Sukuna in Curse Battlegrounds and how to use them. So in Curse Battlegrounds, if you don't have PS Plus, you will be able to choose between Curse Brat, Honored One, and Sorcerer Hunter. You will be able to use all of its moves here. So if you choose the King of Curses, you will be able to use Divergent Fist, Black Flash, Menji Kicks, and then Divergent Parry. So you can use Divergent Fist by walking up to someone and pressing the first button. This will do a punch that throws your opponent far, far away. It is going to break the ground beneath them, and it does considerable damage. Then you have Black Flash. Black Flash works in an interesting way. If you just press a move and let it happen, your character will kick the opponent and they will go away from you. Now, if you press Black Flash again while the move is going off at a very specific timing, you will be able to do a lot more damage. So you will actually do the Black Flash. I'm going to showcase this later. You have Menji Kicks, which are 3, which are a bunch of kicks, which then knocks your opponent back. And finally, you have Divergent Fist on 4, Divergent Parry, which is a counter. So if you are able to use this as someone is attacking you, you will be able to counter their blows and do some damage to them. Now, the way that Black Flash has to be used is that when you press it, your character will do a pose or an animation. You just have to press the button again. So press 2 again as your character puts their leg forth. If you get the timing, you will see the Black Flash animation, but if you fail, you will see this message just like me. So you just have to press it on the exact timing, and instead of seeing the fail message, you will see this big animation for a Black Flash. So you will be able to do it when your character puts the right leg forth, and you should see the animation go off just like this. And it is going to do a lot more damage, and it's gonna knock the opponent back further. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna's techniques in Curse Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.